Time really does move very quickly. When you think about Viking's beginnings in a humble cow barn in 1973 to our most recent 46,000 square foot expansion, you can see how far Viking has come. We continue to invest in our business, growing our space, growing our people, growing our commitment to our customers to satisfy the needs of your product's packaging. In addition to the space, we have invested in high-speed equipment that is quick set to get your orders to you as quick as you need to get your orders to your customers. We're committed to continuing to invest in technology that will improve our quality, service, cost, and speed to market. One thing that has always been the Viking difference is our people. They are part of what make our business go and in turn help to deliver your products to market. We're excited about the future and what comes next for Viking. We invite you to come along on this journey with us because we at Viking know we are willing to do whatever it takes to get you your products fast to market.